Hey there, this is Sop Mimoyer here and welcome to the product Breeze Funnels. So this is a dashboard or members area of this tool, and in this video I'll give you a detailed walkover of this tool. So I will show you from beginning to ending all of the features, like every features from settings, trainings, tutorials, and I will explain you the whole tool basically. So my second purpose is to give you 10 crazy bonuses, totally crazy bonuses. While I am telling crazy, that is really means crazy. So some premium bonuses will be given to you from my website. If you just purchase it from my website, you can check out other affiliates. If they are not giving that kind of bonuses, you can get back to me and then you can purchase it. It is very simple. And the thing is, maybe most of the affiliates would be offering you the vendors given bonuses, so I will be also explaining you that stuffs after just explaining you the product. Okay, I will just explain the bonus and the additional stuffs like their price and some other stuffs. Okay, let me start with the product now. This tool is nothing but a simple funnel builder. So as you can see from the beginning, this is the dashboard. These are the previously done funnel. Once you have just started using it, then your previously done funnel will be shown up here inside the dashboard. So now let me start with a new campaign. So let me put any random name, like let me put Tom as a campaign name to begin it. So let me start any keyword. Keyword is a very essential thing for any let me put here affiliate marketing. So let me click on search now. So it will take a little bit time to search inside Pinterest. So basically it will take the photos or the content from Pinterest, and you can use it for to make it add to inspiration. If just there is a simply basic difference inside add to inspiration and create similar pin. Basically, if you want to create just similar pin as the exact same pin, like if you want to create the exact same pin like makes 50,000 a month, you can click on create similar pin. And if you don't want to do that, you can use the button that add to inspiration. Okay, let me just take any random 3 add to inspiration, and you can do up to 3 inside add to inspiration. Okay, so if I try to do now add to inspiration, it will show me that it is nullified or it can't be done. I have to take 3. Then let me click on next. Okay, so then you can just use it to build your landing page, and you can create a pin, just exact same pin. This is very simple, that you can create exactly a pin inside Pinterest. And instead of that, what you can do, that the second thing is you can create landing page. So let me click on the landing page. Landing page is little bit complex than the pin. So now you can choose the templates. There are some templates given as usual, the 10 templates given inside front end section, and if you upgrade it, there will be so many more templates. So let me now start with the basic squeeze page, or maybe basic opt-in page. Okay, so you can get the preview of the squeeze page. I just missed it. So you can easily customize it. As you can see, the auto responding feature, you can paste the API you can paste the API key, or you can paste the HTML code, like the Aweber always prefers HTML code or always gives HTML code. Or for get respond, you can use the API, you can use the Google tracking code for better analytics, and FB pixel code also. This is the SEO option, like you can put any keyword and the title keyword, the meta description, and Google will help you to rank inside their system. So the next thing is just build up the thank you page and redirect feature option, the link redirection. Everything is pretty simple once you have just start using it. So let me save it as it is. Okay, so now let me start with the create pin option. So once I have chosen the pins, well, let me show you if I can show you. Okay, so it is taking a little bit time. So this is the section. From here you can create the pin. As I have mentioned there previously, I have mentioned affiliate marketing. That is why it is showing me the affiliate marketing pictures. So you can choose any of them, or you can take it from your own gallery, or you can use it from your inspiration section. You can choose the exact same pin from the inspiration section, or due to copyright issue they are not allowing the same inspiration. You can take the inspiration from it, or you can write you can just pin the content of the thing, and you can make a new content, or you can search here any image inside affiliate marketing, and you can do that. So you can click on, now let me click on create post, save image and create post. Once I have just created the post, it will take time, so it is taking time. While it is taking time, let me show, sorry, I have just closed the tab, sorry. So it is also be done, and you can now export data easily. Okay, so you can put the exact description, or you can any description, or you can put it from your inspiration, like let me put any random description, or your exact link. You can get the traffic from Pinterest very easily. This is a very unique thing. Like whatever I have written here, that is saved inside the export data, and now you can easily spin any content taking from Pinterest, and you can write down here, or you can make it like rewrite. Okay, so the next thing is, let me now show you. Inside setting section, you can easily integrate any of the top integrations like Aweber, Mailchimp, GetResponse, iContact, ActiveCampaign, and GoAweber is given. And the next thing is training. This should be given inside after the dashboard. Okay, so this should be given after the dashboard, I think. So that will be very good for the tool, and that will be very good for the consumers also. Like the training and tutorial should be given after the dashboard. I think these should be given. So inside my access option, the upgrades are given. You can upgrade your tool, and this is a supporting feature. And if I can show you, let me show you any of the previously done stuffs, like what I have done just now. Let me show you inside a new tab. Okay, so this is the thing which I have just made within few seconds or a few minutes ago. I have just created it, and once I have just put any email, like let me put here any random email.com, and let me put here ABC as name, and let me click on submit. Once I have just clicked there, okay, so maybe I have not integrated, or I have not linked up, or I have not do the redirection of thank you page. That is why the thank you page has not come. But in your case, if you just integrated or redirected to your thank you page to your customer, your thank you page will be come up here, and this looks pretty premium. Okay, so that is a good thing for this. That is a very, very, very successful thing, or maybe good thing for this tool. What should I say? I don't know. So you can create any numbers of thing inside the front end section, any numbers of funnels, and maybe this is the cheapest funnel builder I have ever seen. If you just use any Fiverr worker, or any Fiverr, what should I say, the gigs, the skills, they will charge more. And also the other funnel builders, like the other funnel building software, will charge you more than that. Basically it is charging $16.93, and the other funnel builder will charge you repeatedly, like on a recurring basis, on a monthly basis. Okay, so now let me show you my bonuses and some of their bonuses. So this is the review page of this tool. You can check out this page via the given description link. From the description link given below, you can check out this page, and you can get this tool and also my bonuses. So inside, I am really amazed of this tool, and that is why this kind of rating. You can tell me that I am partial about that, but I am really amazed about the feature. If I can show you, let me show you some more feature. The edit landing page feature is given here, and the thank you page also you can given here. And the good thing is, I have just forgot to show you that generate ad section is also given here. You can use the AdSense feature also inside this section, like your main keyword. Let me put here dog, and your some random keywords some good keywords, you can generate any ad from the AdSense, or maybe some from another affiliate offers. You can just put any AdSense, and your statistics, like everything is customized here, coolly given here, modified here, formatted here, the views, the average time, unique viewers, leads, referral, and also the next thing is preview landing page. And believe me or not, it is really working. Like you can share anywhere you want inside the social medias are totally free, and they have billions of traffics. You unknowingly you will be getting traffic if you just started sharing inside Pinterest. I am getting a cool number of traffic, like more than 2k traffic from Pinterest, and not traffic, like visitors, and some of them just converted. Okay, and it is as usual, unknowingly you will be getting more traffic. Okay, so the sharing features is also given. So this is the on the price product. This is for one time $16.93, and the early bird pricing will be from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. the New York time, the Eastern Standard Time, 11 a.m. EST. And it will be started from March of 18, 11 a.m. EST. So after the early bird pricing is over, the 0.01 cent dime sale will be started, and it will be goes on every 60 minutes. Okay, so additionally they are giving you a good assurance that they are giving you 30-day no satisfaction money back guarantee. And these are the descriptions of this tool. You can check out if you want to from visiting this page. By visiting this page, so some stuffs which I have already showed you, that is mentioned here, and the live action which is that is mentioned here, and the live action video is given here. You can check out basically I have showed you what is given inside. That is also repeatedly not repeatedly, that is given you inside the same thing or inside this video. Okay, so in my word, I am just amazed about this tool, and I strongly recommend or highly recommend anyone, any company, any online earner, any individual to get this tool or Breeze Funnel software or app. So these are the sales funnel. If you want to upgrade the tool, if you want to get more bonuses from my website, the upsell bonuses, you can upgrade it. You can check out the upgrade feature. So the first bonus is, as usual, you can ask anything, you can ask me anything about Make Money Online from my Facebook page, which is named as Soft Memeware. So my first bonus is $10,000 per month, 10x commission. Okay, so it is, while I am telling $10,000 per month, maybe it hears you, or it seems to you that it is not possible, or it is, I am joking. There are so many people are telling like that, but not like that. You have to keep patience. You have to give your 2 or 3 months before, then you will be earning not $10,000 but $60,000 or maybe $30,000 a month. Okay, I have not touched that kind of boundary or that kind of stuffs. Basically what I believe, I have started with free stuffs, and I have earned more than $950, and I am just applied for credit card. And from I live in India. Okay, firstly I live in India, so there is a really scarcity about credit card or such kind of concept inside our family. So that is why I have applied, and I will be now spending and like just growing. I will be just trying to grow my business. Okay, so you can also do the same, and you can get the video course about $10,000 per month. That is my first bonus. So my second bonus is the deadly sins inside email marketing, or let me correct myself, inside internet marketing. So basically 7 deadly sins will be given here inside a video, and that will be clear to you by 2 top marketers, and I think that should be very helpful for you. So I have pasted here or attached here inside my bonus number 2. Inside my bonus number 3, you will be given the solo ad list building profits, and that is the best thing you can ever had inside solo ad tutorial. So it is also a video training. So inside my bonus number 4, you will be given the affiliate velocity, the premium tool, which has been just released before 3 weeks ago. Inside my bonus number 4, I will be giving you the thing totally free. Just get the tool and grab the grab the thing which top marketers are doing or I will be doing after getting the credit card. So my bonus number 5 is Affiliate Traffic Lab, and Affiliate Traffic Lab is a affiliate product creator. Like you can create 3D images, you can create PDFs, and like this simple thing, but you can create it very easily. You can create PLR products, you can create video stubs, and that will be given to inside my bonus number 5. Inside my bonus numbers 1, that is special bonus, you will be given 30 done for you squeeze pages, which I really prefer, and that will be given to you totally free. And inside my bonus number 2, that is special bonus number 2, you will be given the Optimizer Pro premium theme totally free, which charges in outside 67 bucks. I think 67 bucks one time or maybe monthly, I don't know exactly, but I know that 67 bucks. You can search it inside Google. So the next thing is the vendor bonus. Maybe most of the affiliate will be offering you these bonuses, and I was talking about these previously at the starting of the video, that the vendor bonus. So the vendor bonuses are the Insta feed, the Insta widget, the pro review, the Magna traffic, the viral feeds, and Skype voices. There are so many. Flip Me, SocialQuick, and you can check out them, and that will be given to you by the vendor. These are really cool also, and for this kind of good tool, for this kind of renowned marketers that is really expecting, and they have come to their expectation, they are giving really good bonuses, and you can take it as granted that you can get the bonus from anywhere you purchase the tool. You will be given the bonuses, but these bonuses are also same valuable as I am giving you the bonuses, same kind of bonuses. So the upsell bonus, the next thing is upsell bonus. My last bonus, 10th bonus, is upsell bonus. If you purchase any upsell of this tool from my website, by going through my link, exactly, just click the button and get the front end or any upsell, you will be given some other bonus. For front end, I have already told you. For the upsell, you will be given 200 plus more softwares, more image pack, more like 4.5k image pack, and music tracks, and like the doodle character images pack, the PLR products, all things are togetherly put at one place, and that will be given to you totally free. That was the upsell bonus. So after purchasing the tool, don't forget to click on this blue button. Once you have just missed it, I know so many people that they have missed it, they just miss the bonuses, and just click on this blue button to get your bonuses. Just make sure to get the bonuses. So that was the overview of this tool, and I think I have convinced you the tool and the bonuses, and I have made the video lengthy and totally lengthy. So I am leaving the video now. I am ending the video now. So bye bye.